So hello and welcome. So let's discuss about our how to use our platform iorfit.ca. So you can open browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you have, and you can open our website iorfit.ca. So once you open our website, you see there's an option for login and sign up, and there are a couple of other options. You can see schedule, packages, team, contact, and review. You can give reviews. But today we discuss about how to sign up. So you can click here and do sign up. So for sign up you can use Google account. So if you click here, it will take your detail from your Google account and you can sign up from here. If you don't have Google, then you can use Facebook. If you don't have Google or Facebook both, then you could log in by your email ID, and for that you need to sign up. So let me sign up from here. So for example, my first name is Ritesh, my last name is Kumar, and if I put my email ID, already I have registered with one email ID, so let me put dot Ritesh Girdhar at gmail.com, so that Ritesh Girdhar Gmail already registered. So if I put a dot, then I get an email on Gmail, but its system will take it a different ID. So if I sign it up, so please check your activation mail and activate your account from there. So now if I open my email, I should get an email from these people, Wellness Living. Okay, so I got an email. So when I open my email, I see welcome and thank you for signing up, activate your account. So if I activate my account from here, so it is asking for image. So I could add an image. I could select any of my image from my photo library or anywhere, or say for example, if I select this image, it's optional. Whether you want to upload or not, it's up to you. So say for example, if I uploaded this image, my first name, my last name, my email ID. So the email ID I put there is little different than it's showing here. So let me put my email ID there. So actually I registered with some other ID also. I was just trying. So RITESHGIRDHAR at gmail.com. So this is my ID which I registered, and then I put my password. Password is whatever it is. So let me put the password again, and then you put your phone number, and then you put your gender, and then you put your country. That's it. So once you do all the stuff, then you click on create account. So automatically it's create your account. So you could save your password, and now you have access to the panel, and you could see. So from here you could see your schedules of whatever classes you had booked. So you could see from there, and you could book new classes from there. And this is your member ID basically. So you don't have any member ID because you have not purchased anything. So your store where you get these packages. So but I would suggest you, instead of using this version, better use our app. App is very fast. So when you go to want to download app, then you need to go to our website again, iorfit.ca. On this website at the bottom, if you go, there are two options to download the apps. One is for App Store, Google. One is Google Play, that's for Android, and second App Store is for iPhone. So since I'm using iPhone, so I would be going for this app, and then I can download this app. And if you see, the name of the app is Achieve by Wellness Living, and this is a very simple, straightforward app, and you get all options, and very quick, very fast. Now app is downloaded. So sorry, let me open it again. So now app is downloaded. So if I open the app from here, so in app also, now whatever ID I have registered, I can log in from there, or I can again log in from my Facebook or Apple ID also. So since I registered one ID, so let me log in from there, riteshgirdhar at gmail.com, and whatever my password is, like this. GIS spelling is not right. Okay, so now I have logged into app. So now once you log into app, it has your all details, like our instructors, our address, everything, our website, and whatever reviews we have. And you could see the classes. You can book some classes from here. Now to book classes, you need to buy some package. I will show you what are the packages we have. So if you go and book from here, it will ask you to get some packages. So but I will show you. And then once you book the classes, you see your schedule, what is classes you are coming and what classes you have taken in the past. And in store you can see what are the packages we have. and rewards, you could see your rank and what the point you have got. So basically, whenever you register for yourself, then you get certain points, like this points, and by this points you could redeem like 1000 point, you can buy one class. So if I redeem this, I can buy one class from this 1000 point. And when you refer to other people and when you do other stuff, then you get a lot of points. So everything you get point, and whenever you participate in activity, you get point. So basically we keep you motivated to do more and more stuff, and get more and more point, and do it better than other people, and then you get rank like from what other people are doing, and this keep you motivated. So now let's go to store. And once you are doing first time registration, then of course you have this 7 days unlimited trial offer. Then we have monthly unlimited, then we have our yearly unlimited. In yearly unlimited, you can attend an unlimited of classes in a year, and that $50 per month. And in yearly unlimited, we have a promo package also, so we will tell you once if you're interested. Then in class, you can buy 10 classes for 1 month for $55 each class, or you can buy 100 classes, $3 each class. So you can pay by class, or you can buy unlimited. So we have given one trial package for unlimited, that's free trial, 7 days unlimited. So if you click this, add to cart, and then you go to cart, so you get this, and there is no price for this. This is free. So I make a payment. So it's complete now. So my payment is completed because it was not asking anything, and I close it. Now I can book any class because now I have 7 days unlimited package. So I can book any class. I can go to book now, and I can go to class. Now if I want to book this yoga by Neha, it's a Zoom class, Zoom is written. So if I book this virtual 7 with the time, and if I go next, so whenever I book a class, I get point also. So I get 100 points by booking one class. And if I share this on Facebook, I get some more points. If I share this on Twitter, I get more points. So every time you do something, you get point, and by this point you can get more classes. So basically, you do activity on our website, you keep getting free stuff. So note now. And then if I go to my schedule, and then if I want to attend this class, say for example, when the time comes, then I can click this. So it will take me to the Zoom page, and right now it's not there. So at that time when the class is about to start, it will open in Zoom. So basically we have integrated Zoom with Wellness Living, so you could attend class on Zoom, of course, but that will be under our Wellness Living app only. And so this is the basic structure of our website and app. So you could edit your profile also from there, and profile details. So you could edit all your details, and all this stuff you can do. So this is very simple. And then of course there are some settings you can do. You want to get some SMS notification, you want to connect Facebook, you want to connect Apple Calendar, anything you want to do, you could do. So a lot of good features are there in the app, so you could use that, and you can keep getting rewards, you can keep improving your rank, and like this. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you can always contact us on our website, and we are ready to help you. So you can go to our website, and our phone number is there, and you could always put your inquiry and contact us, so that we can reply to you. So you can always ask the questions here. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you understand all this, and this is very useful app, and you will be getting a lot of information from there. Thank you.